promised you a video about side events at Coinfest Bali, so now here we go. Just navigate to the main website. I'm going to leave the link in the description, and you can scroll down and you can see all the side events. This is actually the most complete list. There is also a few lists on Lumo that I've seen, but they're not that complete. And let's spend a couple of minutes just going through this side events, and I'm going to give you recommendations, and you can decide whether you should go to that event or not. General rule of thumb, because there's not much events, probably sign up for everything, and because it's going to be pretty easy to do. And then when you're thinking about going anywhere, so TEDx Tanban, that's probably going to be some /Web3s and a combination of Web2 people. This looks like a little party or just like a community social marketer kind of event. This one is usually, they organize always parties at all major events. Relatively people, you will find some VCs there, you will find some projects that are usually a good place to spend time if you are a party guy or a party girl. This one is probably an interesting event because this is networking event usually, and it's hosted by the main or the organizers, so this is a must-have. This is where I would go personally. Wallet Connect community meetup, if you're close to them, go there. If no, go meet the team. It's a name in the space. Indonesia blockchain conference, check that out. Gates Garden, definitely go to the Gates Garden to meet the Gates team. Tokenize Indonesia, definitely go to meet their team as well. And probably gonna be a lot of institutional kind of people there, and talking about finance. Pinto Satoshi Santa Parlo, this looks like the KOL kind of event. Connected Capital Investor Dinner, this is probably hard to get into, but if you can and it's relevant for you, then absolutely do it. Crypto by the Coast, BitTime exclusive dinner as well. Same thing as this one, but I personally probably prioritize this one. Next one, we have 22nd of August. I would probably go to this one with the Binance, to the Beach House. I would go to CoinEx Pulse Point. This one is also a big name. I would skip this. Tokenize Indonesia, we already were there. The best events, conference takeover. This is the same thing that the best event we're organizing. Again, a party if you're a party guy, another party, and then another party. That's, if you're into parties, choose from whatever you want. I'm not an advisor here for you. And the last day of Change the Convergence of Pay Fee, the DAI and RWA presented by Interlace. If you are anything of this, go for it, have fun. Probably worth it, your time. Plus going with the main conference. So all in all, from all these side events, I think this one is very good. I think this one is very good. Probably this one, and this one, and that's it. So 4 or 5 events that are must-haves. If you agree with me or don't agree with me, here we go. You have a comment section, or you can always ping me because I'm going to leave my contact below, so you can send me a message. Subscribe to the Web3 Sales Gym, share it with your friends, share it with the people that you know that are going to the Coinfest Bali and they don't know where to go. And see you in the next videos. Bye bye.